We have the brand new camera control button right here that came out with the 16s, and as you'll notice, it is actually a button on this case. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this case right here. This is the OtterBox Lumen case with MagSafe for none other than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, before I start getting this case out of the box, I do have to give a huge thank you to OtterBox for sending this out to me for free in order to make this video about it. So thank you very much, OtterBox. But anyway, let's start getting this guy out of the box. Here we go. So folks, as you can see, the box itself has a cutout so you can actually see and touch the case itself. It says OtterBox Lumen here on the top, and then over here on the back, it says it is 3 times many drops as military standard tested. It's got raised edges to protect the camera and screen, scratch resistant, and it contains 75% at least recycled material. So let's just open this up and see what this case is all about. So we can slide it out right here, pop it out of the box. We've also got some paperwork that was hiding here behind the case. But let's just go ahead and put my 16 Pro Max in this case. So we can just go ahead and pop it right in, nice and easy. And here, let's start by taking a quick walk around tour of this case. As you can see right here on the side, it says OtterBox, and then we've got the volume buttons right here. Okay, and then we've also got the action button right here if we want to put the ringer on, but I do prefer it off. I'm not trying to get a bunch of alerts right now when I'm filming. And then over here on this side, we've got the side button if you want to talk to Siri. I do not at the moment. And most interesting of all, we have the brand new camera control button right here that came out with the 16s. And as you'll notice, it is actually a button on this case, unlike other OtterBox cases, like for instance, the Defender Pro XT here, which I've also unboxed. I'll have a link to that video down the description if you want to check it out, which had a cutout around it. So that's cool that this one has a button built in. So let's go ahead and fire up the camera control. We can hold that down and open it up, and then let's see if it works. So, okay, we can switch between the different cameras on the rear of the phone here, and you can double click if you want to switch between the different functions. So let's go to the zoom function here, and then we can really granularly zoom in if we want to, or we can zoom out right there. So yes, that works just fine, and we can take a picture. So that is good right there. And then over on the bottom of the case, you can see we've got cutouts for the speaker grills as well as the USB-C port. And on the back, we do have a raised lip around the edges of the rear camera array, as well as these big chunky black looking MagSafe magnets. So yes, MagSafe should work just fine with this case. Let's see, and voila, it is charging. Now over on the front of the phone, that beautiful 6.9-inch screen is surrounded by some slightly raised lips around the front of the case. So in theory, if you put it down on a flat surface, that should not be scratching your phone screen, which is definitely good there. Another thing that I'm noticing about this case is it just feels super slim and minimalist in the hand. I like this clear color because it really lets you go ahead and see the actual color of your iPhone. When you get that new desert titanium color, just like me, you do definitely want to see it, so that's pretty cool. And I do think black goes well with that rose gold looking color of my phone. And another first impression, I will admit the rear of this case does feel a bit slippery in the hand, but that's kind of to be expected of clear cases. Like for instance, over here, I can go ahead and grab my Apple Clear MagSafe case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and they feel kind of the same right there. I will note one big difference between these two. Not only does this one also have, pieces of black on it, but the Apple case does not have individual cutouts at the bottom of the phone, just a large cutout, whereas this one is individual for the speaker grills and the USB-C port. Now, the reason I bring up the Apple Clear MagSafe case is because if you want OtterBox's Lumen right here for yourself, it will set you back about $70, which is definitely on the pricier side, especially considering that Apple's Clear MagSafe case here will only set you back about $50, and there's not that much of a difference between these two cases, besides, once again, the color difference as well as a different form of cutouts on the bottom. But folks, anyway, with that, there's not really much more to say about the OtterBox Lumen case for the 16 Pro Max right here. Definitely feel free to let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you have it for yourselves? And also, if you are in the market for your very own 16 Pro Max case, definitely be sure to check out my playlist of all the different 16 Pro Max cases that I've unboxed on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. I'll have a link to that down in the description of this video. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely don't forget to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.